working on this 2018 Volkswagen Jetta SE TSI, and we're going to be doing the fog lights. Okay, normally when the car is stock height, you can actually go through this little flap that's right here, and that will let you get to the actual fog light. But since it's lowered, it's kind of difficult to do that. So what you're going to do, you have to remove 2 screws that go here. Okay, and they're going to be the torque screws, like that. Okay, and I believe they're T15s. Okay, so once you remove those, you can pull this flap and it gives you enough room to reach in there and grab them. So I'm gonna tilt this real quick. And you can see the bulb is right there. Okay, these are just twist on, so you would just pull out your old one, pop in the new one, just lock it in place, and you're good to go. These are gonna be H11s, and the ones we have in this vehicle are gonna be the LD series, so these can switch back between yellow and white. And pretty much gonna be doing the same procedure for the passenger side, because since the car is lower again, you will have to remove those screws to be able to get to the back of it and then sneak in through here and grab it out. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it looks right now. We can light them up.